Hi, so this is how to set up your blog. Now there are two things you need to know. On this left hand side, you have all these posts, statistics, comments, earnings, pages, layout, theme, settings, and reading list. Now just the two things you need to set up. The theme, it's just a minor thing that you can always do. Let's click on the theme. Now when you click on the theme, you'll see there are different kind of themes. It depends on whatever you want to sell or whatever you want to have. Whatever affiliate program you want to advertise. Now, advertising it secretly is what makes you to earn your money. You can earn, I'm telling you this, you can earn up to 200,000, 300,000 in a month as long as you do this that I'm teaching you right. Now, you look for a team that best suits what you are doing. It could be food, it could be selling food, you could be selling, you could be an affiliate to food company, it could be an affiliate to clothes company. So many companies are doing affiliates program, and the best way to do it is to hide under this blog and be able to advertise to people that when they buy, you can earn over 200 to 300,000 a month. And that is what I have been doing for some months now. Even while there was COVID-19, I made a whole lot of money, and that is why I'm trying to show you this as an eye opener for you to know what you can do. Now, that team is something is most preferably your choice. But the two things that are very essential is layout, which I'm clicking now. When you go to the layout, you have to make sure that all these things are working well. Now, the about me, you remove it. Check it out. I've done this in one of the videos. You find out that you make sure that you uncheck this, you uncheck this, you uncheck this. So and you click save. There you make sure that there is no check on those places. Now on this one, report abuse, you go here and click this. If you click this, to show on your blog, but you don't want it to show because when they report you that you are doing you are trying to disguise as somebody selling things under the affiliates program, they would block you. Blogger would seize your account, and I don't want that to happen to you. So likewise, then the next thing, search this blog. You make sure that you on delete. You make sure that you remove this as well here. You remove it, and once you remove it, you click save. The same thing applies to this. The header, you leave the header as it is. It is very important for you to show the header because that's what shows the name of your blog. Now, going to subscription, this one is always not there except you want to include it yourself. This one is always not there. This one is the page list is not always there. The ads is not always there. So you except you want to include it yourself, but it's not necessary. What is necessary is what I'm telling you here. Now this page body, you remove it because like this, when you click it, you remove it because it's not necessary for the page body to be there. Now what you do is you click on show featured post, and this one you remove this and you click save. Now once you remove that, the next thing you need to do, I've done all this before, that's why it's looking like this. Now for the blog posts, now everything that you see on this section that is checked like this, you make sure you uncheck it. Uncheck everything. You can see all these ones now that there's no one that is checked. So it is not, except for this. If you want to be using this blog, if you want to use it to you want to use this button on Twitter, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Blogger to be advertising, you can check this and it will show on the bottom page of your blog. And once you uncheck everything, you click save. But I don't think it is necessary because there's no way you will do this business and you will not still advertise. And I'm going to show you that how to advertise as well, which is very, very cheap. Now looking at this, the footer title, you leave it like that. So if after doing that, you now go to settings, this is the next one that is very important that you must do. You must do this. You must do this. Now you go. Now shop non-stop, that's the title of your page. Shop non-stop, that's the title of your page. And you go ahead. Shop non-stop is the title of your page. Page description. If you wish, you can write what your page is all about. So like that, you read all through this and you get it done. And after doing that, that is how you have been able to set it up. Thank you. God bless.